day, a great multitude that had come to the feast, when they heard that Jesus was coming into Jerusalem, took branches of palm trees and went out to meet him and cried out, Hosanna! Blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord, the King of Israel. Then Jesus, when he had found a young donkey, sat on it, as it is written, Fear not, daughter of Zion. Behold, your king is coming, sitting on a donkey's colt. His disciples did not understand these things at first. But when Jesus was glorified, then they remembered that these things were written about him, in that they had done these things to him. Therefore, the people who were with him, when he called Lazarus out of his tomb and raised him from the dead, bore witness. For this reason, the people also met him, because they heard that he had done this sign. The Pharisees therefore said among themselves, You see that you are accomplishing nothing. Look, the world has gone after him. Sa sarili nating wika, kinabukasan na balitaan ng makapal na taong dumalo sa pista na patungo sa Jerusalem si Jesus. Kumuha sila ng palakpak ng palma at lumabas ng lungsod upang siya'y salubungin. At ganito ang kanilang sigaw, Hosanna! Purihin ang dumarating sa pangalan ng Panginoon. Purihin ang hari ng Israel. Nakita ni Jesus ang isang batang asno at sinakyan nito. Gaya ng nasusulat, Huwag kang matakot, lungsod ng Sion. Masdan mo, dumarating ang iyong hari, nakasakay sa bisirong asno. Hindi tumaunawaan noon ang kanyang mga alagad, ngunit matapos mabuhay na muli si Jesus, sa kanila naalalang ito ang sinasabi ng kasulatan tungkol sa kanya at ganito nga ang nangyari. Ang pagbuhay ni Jesus kay Lazaro ay ipinamalita ng mga nakasaksi niyon. At ito ang dahilan kaya siya sinalubong ng mga ng gayon karaming tao. Nabalitaan nila ang ginawa niyang kababalaghan. Nag-usap-usap ang mga Pariseo. Wala na tayong magagawa. Tingnan ninyo, sumusunod sa kanya ang lahat. Mga minamahal kong kapatid, mga magulang, ka-prayer partners, ang mabuting balita ng ating Panginoon.